Just simple things: flour, butter, milk, baking powder, pinch salt. Simple ingredients, soft hands. Keep them light and fluffy. Fresh scones straight from the oven, made for sharing with those you love. Now we need 2 cups. Let's measure carefully. This will be delicious. Just add a pinch of salt. Make sure to sift it well. It makes them extra light and fluffy. You got it, Mom. Rub gently. Don't overwork it. Make a little well for the milk. Pat down softly, no rolling hard. Like this? Perfect, just like that. Cut straight down, don't twist the cutter. Look at that, it's perfect! Snug together helps them rise high. Yes. Light brush for that lovely golden glow. We will let these bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure your oven is at 200 degrees. Look at these scones, perfect! Let them rest just a few minutes. It makes them even better. Wrap warm so they stay soft. A little note from us too. Ready for everyone to enjoy. Soft, buttery, absolutely delicious. Remember, kindness tastes best when made with love. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.